He's like, what's behind
I know,
me?
he just looked at him like...
He's like, what is that? Monsieur, say hi to your doggy behind you. He said, what doggy?
I know, he literally looked at him and was like, yeah.
He goes, wait. He goes, I'm going to rub my tail in his face.
He's got a lumpy leg too, so they're a little cool.
Aw. Are you gimpy together? You be gimpy together? Can you get out his butt?
I know, but I think
Monsieur doesn't care at all. Monsieur. What do you think of him, buddy? You like him? Good boy. Good boy. That was very nice of you, buddy. Zion, what do you think, buddy? Monsieur. You want a friend? Monsieur, come over here and say hi to him again. Bring Zion over to him so he doesn't have to walk. Zion, come over here and say hi to the old man, please.
Zion is. Yeah.
I don't think he cares. Zion, please say hi to the old man. Hi. Hi, cutie.
So happy.
Good boy. The bulldog's probably like 10 or older, and Zion, I'm not sure. He's a younger guy. Good boy. His tail never stops going.
I know.
You have a broken tail too, buddy.
Yeah, what's with the... I have to drink William A.
Good boys.